What's up, YouTubers? Here in an Audi A3, and I'm going to show you how I activate launch control. So first thing you want to do is make sure you bring the car to operating temperature. That's the first thing. Operating temperature, I'm not there yet, but you want to make sure that you're at right here at 90 degrees Celsius or at any midpoint. So if it's in Fahrenheit, it's probably going to be about 194. But you want to make sure that you're at operating temperature, which is going to be right in the middle. Next thing you want to do is make sure that your steering wheel is completely straight, perfect straight. Next thing you're going to do is go ahead and deactivate two things. You're going to first turn off your auto start stop. So you'll see the light come on, and this will also notify you that your start stop has been deactivated. And then the next thing you want to deactivate is your stability control. So you're going to go ahead and press that, and you'll notice that you get an ESC warning, which means that your stability control is also off. Now, some people need to hold this a little bit longer in order for it to deactivate, but in my case, it deactivates with a single click. You'll also see the stability control is off right there. Next thing you want to do, you're also going to want to go ahead and make sure to put your seatbelt on in order for your seatbelt light to go away. That way you can continue further. Next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and press your brake pedal with your left foot. You're going to go ahead and press it down firmly to the very bottom. Next thing you're going to do is put your car into drive, but you're also going to go down one into S. So you'll see this is D right now. I'm going to go ahead and put the shifter knob down one more time, and now you can tell it's an S. So I have S activated, which is the sport mode. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to hold your brake pedal down for at least a second very firmly. And at the same time, with your right foot, you're going to go ahead and press down on the gas pedal all the way. This will rev up your RPMs. Within 5 seconds, you're going to go ahead and let go of the brake pedal, and this will activate your launch control. Some cars have it, some cars don't as a feature. So final rundown: get your car to operating temperature, get your steering wheel completely straight, deactivate your auto start stop, turn off your ESC, put your seatbelt on. Personally, I would turn off all your ACs and whatnot, leave the air completely off, press down firmly on the brake pedal, put your car into drive, get it down one to S, once again by clicking down. Next thing you're going to want to do, once again, once you reach full operating temperature, you're going to go ahead with your left foot, press on the gas pedal all the way down, and then within 5 seconds, let go of your brake pedal and launch. Now, do keep in mind that this does put a little bit of strain on your car, and it does put heavy load on the transmission. Thanks for watching. Once again, like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.